Hi guys. I'm trying out this new recording thing to see how you guys find it. So we've been talking about statistics in class, just over the last lesson or so. And in stats, there are a few different words, terminology, definitions that we need to be aware of. I'm just going to go through a few of them here. So the first one is the mean. Now the mean is like the average of the data. So there is a small difference between the mean and the average mathematically. You don't really have to worry about it. All you need to know is that the mean is just basically like the average. So if you think about the mean, just think, oh yeah, it's the average. The next one is the mode. The mode is the most common data point or value. So the mode is, if you've got a data value which comes up the most frequently, the most often, that's your mode. The last median is the next one. Yeah. The median is the middle value. So we're going to get into the difference between the mode, the median, and the mean a bit later. But for now, the median is just the middlemost value. And the median is useful if your data is really skewed. That means it leans really heavily to one side or another. And it basically can give you a more sort of meaningful mean or average than the actual mean itself. If you just take the mean of data that's really, really skewed, your mean is actually not going to be representative of the middle of the data. After that, we've got the minimum, which is the lowest value, and the maximum, which is the largest value. Okay, so the mean, the mode, the median, the minimum, and the maximum. So we're going to talk about all of these in just a tick. So let's look at a data set. Yeah, that's good. So we've got this data set of data values. We don't know where they're from. Doesn't really matter. So if we wanted to find the mean of this set, what we need to do, we need to add all of the data points together, all of these guys, and then divide it by the number of data points there are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 data points. So we go 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5, all divided by 9. So let's see, 3, 4, 5, 8, 11, 14, 18, 22, 27. So that goes to 27 over 9. So yeah, all I've done, I've just added all of these guys together. All of 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 equals 27. And we'll put that over 9. And then we'll simplify that down. 27 over 9. Well, 27 divided by 9 is 3. So our mean equals 3. Okay? So I'll just go through that one more time. For the given set, this is our set here. The set is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. The mean, we just add all of these guys together, then divide it by the number of points in the data set there are. Okay, so we add all those together, it equals 27. There are 9 data points, so we divide 27 by 9, we're left with 3. The median, actually let's do the mode first, that'd be easier, the mode. So out of these data points, which one is the most common? Which one occurs the most frequently? 1 occurs once, 2 occurs twice, 3 occurs 3 times, 4 occurs twice, and 5 occurs once. So 3 actually occurs 3 times, so the mode is 3. Okay? So I'll just rewrite that set. Okay, so the median. The median, hope I'm spelling that right. The median's the middlemost value. So there's a couple of ways you can find the median, and the way that you get the median changes depending on whether you've got an even or an odd set of numbers. So if we've got an odd set, it's nice and easy. Now, odd. Okay, so remember we've got 9 data points. Okay, 9's a nice odd number. So if we divide 9 by 2, we get 4.5. Okay, and let's round that down to 4. Okay, so if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one more, we get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 on either side. The one in the middle is our median, so the median is 3. Okay, so I'll go through that again. If we've got an odd number of data points, in this case we have an odd number, median. We have an odd number of data points. We've got 9. So 9 divided by 2 equals 4.5. Rounded down equals 4. So we go from the start, from the first data point up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next one is our median. And we can double check that because we'll know we're right if there's 4 on the other side of it as well. So we get 4 points on either side of the median, which we got here. Okay? So the other way that I've seen people do it, I don't really like using this way because it doesn't work so well if you've got a really large data set, is I've seen people cross them out starting from each end. So you go, to find the median, you'd go like that, like that, like that, and you just keep going, and the only one left we have is 3. So there you go. That's another way you can find your median. Great. So if we've got 6 data point, another data point, that'll take us up to 10. Okay, you can just see I've added an extra 5 there. So if we get an even number of data points, we can sort of do the same method. We divide 10 by 2, and we get 5. So, but the problem is if we go 5 from either side, it's not really going to work. If we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we end up with 2 numbers for the median. Now the median can only be one number, right? So what we actually need to do is add the 2 numbers together and then divide it by 2. So we go, okay, well, this number and this number were both the quote-unquote median. So remember we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So we've got 2 3's. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Divided by 2 equals 3. So our median is 3. Okay? So I'll just go through that one more time. So if we have an even number of data points, what we do, we take the number of data points, which is 10, we divide it by 2, and we go 5 from each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we end up with these two guys right here, which is 3 and 3. After that, we need to find the average between these two data points. So 3 plus 3 divided by 2 equals 3. And so that is our median. So I'm just going to erase that last data point because that one wasn't there before. Okay, so now we've got the minimum. And the maximum. Well, these ones are nice and easy. They're just the lowest and highest values. So the minimum value here is 1. The maximum is 5. Easy peasy. Okay? So, back to our vocab. The mean is the average. The mode is the most common. Median is the middle point. The minimum is the lowest. And the maximum is the largest. The mean, we just add all the numbers together. And then these guys, then divide it by the number of data points there are. And because there's 9 data points, we divide it by 9. We add all the numbers up, we get 27. And we divide that by 9, we get 3. So the mode is 3. The median is just the most middlemost value. So remember we said, okay, well you could do it like 1, 1. Well, cancelling out like that. And you get the middle value. If I did that right. Or you can say, okay, well, 9 divided by 2 is 4.5, rounded down to 4. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the next one is your median. So the median is 3. Your minimum is 1, which is the lowest value. Your maximum is 5. And I think we forgot the mode. The mode is the most common value. The mode is 3. So that's the start of terminology for statistics.